Now Minister Martha Morris has come here. She's reading the placard here.
We are here to see you. I'm here to see you.
Okay.
We deserve better, of course, yes.
Yeah.
Former district, not for one man. It's up to you.
Yeah. So, as you can see, Minister Martha Morris of the Minister of Youth and Minister of Health, star of the Ruling Unity Party, has come here to speak to some aggrieved party executive of the Unity Party in Beaumont, the former district, Bon County. This is Minister. She's here reading.
You are right. You're not so big better. Have you forgotten the votes former district produced?
Yes.
We forget. We know it.
Minister,
Chairman of the United Party, Bon. We want to meet you. I'm here.
Okay, the minister is here.
UP will lost relevant former. If all of the positions are taken away from us, you got some power.
Yes.
We need the administrator position.
The minister is here reading.
It's up to you.
The minister is here reading.
Morris, we say welcome to former. Thank you very much.
The minister is here reading.
Why up to now, United Party former is not in any of the government appointed position? You can answer that too.
Okay.
No space for Representative Formula. HR at Beaumont Hospital. You got it. You the citizen for this place. They should not be monkey where baboon enjoy. I respect that. We need a full representation of United Party in the local government structure in former district. I'm not working in the local government, so you got some power. The party is disenchanted over appointments of all local chiefs in former district by the lawmaker without consultation of citizens. I respect your view. Thank you. We need the administrator position at Beaumont Hospital. This is your district.
Minister Martha Morris has come here now to speak to the people. After reading their placards, she's now come to speak to respond to listen to their concern, and so that
to listen to your concerns. My peace-loving people of District Number 7, former district, I will rescue people. I'm here to listen to you.
So, after waiting for some time, Minister Martha Morris and also the chairperson of the Unity Party in Bon County has finally come to listen to the word of our people here. These are all officials of the Unity Party leadership in former district, Bon County, who have come to see their party chairperson, quote-unquote, Deputy Minister Martha Morris, who will now listen to the concern of the local leadership of the Unity Party here, as we begin with the spokesperson.
Good afternoon. My name is Tanya Ikada. I am the pastor on the former pastor of the Unity Party. On behalf of the Partizans of the former district, we are here to allow us to meet. The Unity Party former Unity Party district number 7, Bon County, Republic of Nigeria. May 9, 2025. Madam Martha C. Morris, Unity Party Bon County Chair, Deputy Minister of Position statement from the party, from the Unity Party leadership, District number 7, Bon County, that the district leadership has been downplayed in decision making. This is what we are here to do. Here, we read this communication to bring to your attention something we believe is unfair and requires attention. Every political party in government in Britain must allocate its own as we are aware, as you are aware, the party is fully structured in terms of leadership across district number 7 country. But we have observed that our leadership have been excluded, overlooked in appointing local government officials. We feel disappointed in our party position. With this continued act, we as party leaders feel disenchanted based upon the following sound was not limited. Number one, the appointment of local government officials have been done by Representative Cody in Family across the entire former district. As you may be aware, that Honorable Family did not support the success of this government, that he is on record for supporting the CDC of former President The entire local government officials of former districts are all opposition to this government. This is a gross disrespect to the people of former district and the party and the political party leadership. Number three, the Bong Mines Hospital is out of administrator, but with all the effort we applied during campaign to have the government here, this government here, see it today, where she is today, we are yet to be awarded the position. In conclusion, we recommend this time that the leadership and qualified parties be prioritized in appointment and decision making. We appreciate the redress of this communication